Good evening. We start tonight with an employee at Twinbrook Healthcare and Rehabilitation Center speaking out following news the business would transition into a COVID-19 recovery center. Samiar Nefzi joins us now live in the newsroom after speaking with that employee about the facility and the plans. Samiar?
Yeah, Sean, good evening to you. The staffer I spoke with has been with the company for over a year, saying that management said COVID-19 patients would come as needed to the 120-bed facility. An inside source at the Twinbrook Healthcare and Rehabilitation Center said on Wednesday the staff was informed the facility would relocate nearly 100 residents as the current center is transitioning into a COVID-19 recovery center.
I don't think they're prepared at all. They don't even give us, simple supplies to do our day-to-day jobs. I don't think they would be prepared for that at all.
The staff was told they could either keep their current jobs or transfer to another Guardian Healthcare location.
We don't want to work under those conditions for the minimal amounts of money that we make. So I think they're putting Lawrence Park at risk, the people who live here, the police department here, and the fire department here.
The staff member says COVID-19 cases are anticipated to come from Erie, Ohio, and New York. Those inside are not the only ones concerned over the facility's sudden change.
I'm worried about the patients that are coming in, and mostly just how am I going to take my son for walks, and knowing that there's going to be patients right there.
It's all new. I mean, I haven't had a chance to really get it to sink in. I realize we need places for the patients, but I also feel that this is a very close area.
Adding the recovery center should not be in the proximity of a residential area.
I don't know what else we can possibly do other than we'll just have to isolate ourselves away from that whole area.
Guardian Healthcare did respond with the following statement, saying in part, as a partner in the Erie healthcare community, Guardian Healthcare has been asked to establish a dedicated COVID-19 recovery unit. After a thorough review of all the Guardian Healthcare Erie sites, Twinbrook was selected through collaborative conversations with physicians and other experts based on the unique physical plant layout of the site. Now, County Executive Kathy Dahlkemper mentioning earlier that the county did not ask for this. Now, we are told the current residents at Twinbrook would be tested for COVID-19 before being moved to a new facility. That is expected to take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. Sean?
Samiar Nefzi in the newsroom tonight.